seen your boyfriend.
Yeah.
He's gonna have dinner.
Take me out. You don't take me out.
Get a smile on your face.
How do you feel about that?
Saves me some money. Going to our super mega fancy
man, this thing's in the way already. Fucked up my life.
we have really flash YouTube studio.
Yeah, it's so flash. We have to go outside for it.
So flash. I don't even know, understand how flash it is.
Can you put that beauty filter on my face?
Which one?
The beauty filter.
The one that you were using today?
Yeah.
Instagram? No.
This is how you should hold a key, guys. Not on the stand.
This is exactly how you should hold a key. That is 100% the safest way. Don't hold it that other way. On the stand.
Fuck off, like how we speak to flies. Like they understand us.
But they don't. It's like, what are you even looking at? But
Stop in the distance. Daydreaming a little.
come film some content with Curls and Beardy. This is pretty much what we do to film some of our content. Smile, you got a sexy face. Oh, okay, look angry then. Still look a bit sexy. Full width like that, I can see all the weeds. Hey.
From what I come with. What does they want to?
What is it?
What's the smell?
There we go. Ooh, I like this one. Let's try a shot in here. Cool, yep.
Your turn. Don't drop. Oh, he's moving way too fast. Slow down.
It's not as good a camera person as me.
No, that's why I hate this job and hire someone else. Maybe a girl who might like that.
I didn't get it, but you're smiling like you said a joke.
I did.
Yeah.
Can you hold it straight? Can you move your fingers out the way? Yeah, out the way.
Hey,
Slow down.
you slow down.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
Which when I look back at the footage, it's going to be like this.
Bucko, come to our Mina's photo booth.
Yep.
There's a girl key.
Nevada. It's a girl's name, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely not a guy's name.
It's also a state in America. America.
Can you angle it this way? Yeah. You can go.
Oh, that's so cool. It's missing its parts.
Oh, yeah, that's not a stand. That's a stand
right.
for it's wet.
It's like, what the?
Angle it towards me.
That could be a stripper.
No. Not magic, not mic enough. Hold the key a bit straighter. Oh, that's better. Maybe it's me.
Yeah, probably.
No, it's like almost like glary. Like it's not picking up the colour.
Let's swap. Oh, right, spot focus is on.
Sorry, team. I'll do that if you want.
serious. Good work.